right, my fourth grade friends, guess what time it is? It's multiplication time. We're going to start multiplication soon. So I've got to add that to your to-do list every day in math now. You're going to get on Moby Max and do 15, 20 minutes of Moby Max because we got to know our facts to do math. So today's lesson, we're just going to talk about and get started with multiplication. What exactly are all these parts to a multiplication problem? So we got to add some names. You know how they like to add fancy names to things. So we've got 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 and 5 are called factors, okay? And 20 is the product. So we got to learn these words. So when you sing the songs to me, 4, 8, 12, 16, you are singing the products of those questions. Another name we like to call those things, because they can't just be happy with one name, is, let's go here, is they like to call them multiples, okay? So you got to learn the difference between a product, a factor, and a multiple. So factors are when your fingers are moving. 4, 8, 12, that's your fingers, okay? 4 times 2 is 8. 4 and 2 are factors. It's what makes up the multiplication problem, okay? One way to think about it is being a factor ninja, and you're chopping up the products. So right here, if you see, we've got 24 is a multiple, and these are all the factors that equal 24. So 1 times 24, factors that equal 24. 2 times 12, factors that equal 24. 3 times 8 equals 24. 4 times 6. So those are all the factors of 24. So those are all the numbers that on your multiplication chart, let's find one, all these numbers on the outside, those are your factors on the multiplication chart. And all the numbers on the inside are the answers, your products, or what we like to call multiples. So when you sing me the songs, 2, 4, 6, 10, 8, 10, 12, those are the multiples. So when you sing the songs, you're singing the answers or the products. Okay, does that make sense? And what we're going to end up doing some point soon when we get into factors. Today, I just want you to be aware of them. But what you would do is you would make what's called a factor tree when they're going to ask you for all the factors of 24. And you just go down and you start with 1. 1, well, that's a sad one. 1 times what gives me 24? 24. And then you keep going. 2. 2 times what gives me 24? 12. And then you go 3. 3 times what gives me 24? 3 times 8. And you just keep listing them all, and that's how you come up with your factors. I'm running out of room, but then you would do 2. Oh, no, we already did 2. Duh, Mrs. Guardo. 4. 4 times what? And actually, you keep doing all the numbers. This is a really bad example. I'm making a big mess. But I'll teach you more about that. But these are also called factor pairs, okay? So today I just wanted to introduce you to, what do we call these darn things? These are called factors. 4 times 5 is a factor. And the product, we're now going to call product, or we're going to call multiple, okay? Another thing to do is to look at here. 5 is the factor, 3 is the factor, and my product or my multiple is 15, okay? So today, what you're going to be doing for me, not that, is this. You're going to tell me all the factors to 24, which we just did. So that'll be easy going here. Another thing you can do, and I don't have one in front of me, but let's go back here. You can just go down. Here, where's 24? Where do I find 24? So 4 and 6 are factors of 24, and just keep searching your chart for all your 24s. It's probably not the best way. 6 and 4, okay? 8 and 3, I'm seeing 24 there. So that's how you find factors. So let's go back to today. What are we doing? So tell me all the factors of 24, which I just did on the other page. Tell me of the factors of 14. So again, the best way to do this, I got to teach you a better way than this, is to make the factor T. So I'm going to teach you that. Hold on. Let's really do a factor T. All right. So let's do 14. Oh my gosh, I'm doing 2 of these for you. You make the factor T. And you start on this side. You go in chronological order. 1. 1 times what is 14? Well, that's easy. 14. 2. 2 times what is 14? 2 times, go down here, 7. 3. Does 3 go into 14? Nope, so I skip it. 4. Does 4 go into 14? Nope. 5 go into 14? Nope. 6? Nope. 7. So now I've got 7 times 2. When the numbers reverse like this, we draw a squiggly line, and that tells us we're done. So the factors of 14 are 1 and 14, 2 and 7. All right, hopefully this is not too confusing. Just do your best. Again, I told you I wasn't going to introduce anything new, and here I go introducing something new. Do your best for me. Try to come up with as many factors that you can think of for these numbers, okay? Make the factor T if you got that. If you don't, look on your chart and just do a couple of them for me. I'm not going to grade these. This is just kind of, again, you're just getting your feet wet into multiplication. So that's all I want you to do today. Get your feet wet. All right. Hopefully your brain's not spazzing right now. If it is, rewind the tape again. Watch it in slow-mo. Or if not, email me. But please, again, don't bug your parents. They have no idea what a factor is, and they don't care. So leave them alone. All right. See you later.